So to prepare for part one of your procedure, you're going to need a juice solution. You're going to need a total of 25 milliliters of that juice solution. You're going to transfer 25 milliliters of that juice solution into your Erlenmeyer flask. The next thing that you're going to add to your Erlenmeyer flask is 25 milliliters of deionized water. So I'm going to transfer 25 milliliters deionized water into my Erlenmeyer flask. As you can see, the solution's pretty clear, but there's a little bit of a cloudiness to it. So this is a dilute juice solution, but the purpose for this to be kind of as clear as it is so that you can see the color change a little bit more easily. So here, the last thing that I'm going to add is my phenolphthalein indicator solution. I'm going to add approximately 2 to 3 drops of this phenolphthalein. 1, 2, 3. There we go. I've got my 3 drops of my phenolphthalein indicator solution. The next thing that I'm going to do is prepare my burette. Now, I've previously talked about equilibrating your burette with your base solution. And the way that you're going to do that is put approximately 5 milliliters of whatever base solution that you're using. Make sure the valve is perpendicular to the burette or it's parallel to the ground. Put 5 milliliters of your solution in there with a gloved hand or thumb, cap it, swirl this around so that whatever base solution that you are going to be transferring, you're going to make sure that it is completely coated the interior of the burette. An important way to prepare your burette, and after you've done that, you're going to empty that out and add take that 5 milliliters and transfer it to your waste container. Whenever you're adding a solution to your burette, what you always want to have is you want to have a funnel. I've got a glass funnel here. What I'm going to do is take my base, my strong base, my sodium hydroxide, add it to my burette. And I'm going to load that burette to the point where it reads 0.0 milliliters. And if I need to, I might release a little bit of solution from this burette just to make sure that it's at 0. And I don't need to do too much, but I'll get a little bit. I've got a waste container. Mine happens to be, my waste container happens to already have waste from previous trials. I'm going to dilute a little bit of that solution. I'm at a point where I can basically just release like 2 drops. Oh, there we go. 0 milliliters. All right, so now I've got my solutions ready. I've got my burette ready. I'm going to go ahead and get started doing this titration.